To automatically turn on your Galaxy Watch screen when you raise your wrist, you have to enable the raise to wake feature for your Galaxy Watch. As the example, we will turn this feature on from the Wearable app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap Watch setting. Next, tap Display. Under Screen Wake Up section, tap the gray on-off switch next to Rise Wrist to wake until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, you can wake or turn your Galaxy Watch screen on by raising your wrist where you wear your watch. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.